Buildertrend is one of the few construction software platforms built specifically for project-based contractors, not just service businesses. That matters because general contractors deal with schedules, change orders, budgets, and subcontractors all at the same time. By the end of this, you'll know if Buildertrend is actually a good fit for your construction business, or if it's too much for the way you work. Here's the direct answer. If you're a residential general contractor handling remodels, custom homes, or larger renovation projects, Buildertrend is one of the stronger options. If you mainly do small service jobs or fast one-day work, it can feel heavy. Start with project management. This is where Buildertrend is strongest. A general contractor might be managing framing, electrical, plumbing, drywall, and inspections on one project. Buildertrend keeps all of that in one timeline. Schedules, tasks, and updates stay visible. That reduces missed deadlines. Change orders are another big part of construction. Clients change finishes, layouts, or materials all the time. Buildertrend makes documenting and approving those changes easier. That protects your margins. Budget tracking is strong too. You can track estimated versus actual costs across labor and materials. That helps you catch overruns before they become expensive. For GCS, that's one of the biggest advantages. Subcontractor coordination is another solid feature. You can assign tasks, share updates, and keep communication inside the platform. That reduces back and forth calls and text chains. Client communication is built in too. Homeowners can check progress, approvals, and updates without constantly calling the office. That improves transparency. Now the weak spots. Buildertrend is not built for speed like service software. If you're running quick handyman jobs or emergency repairs, the workflow can feel slower than something like Jobber or Housecall Pro. Setup also takes time. There are more systems to build before it starts paying off. That can slow smaller teams down. It's also better for residential than light commercial. For bigger commercial builds with more advanced cost controls and document management, some contractors move toward Procore. So is it worth it? If your business depends on multi-week or multi-month projects, Buildertrend gives you stronger control over schedules, budgets, and communication. That makes it a serious tool for scaling. If your business is mostly small ticket, fast turnaround jobs, it may be more software than you need. The three things to remember are simple. Buildertrend is strong for project management, strong for client communication, and strong for change orders. The next step is to look at whether your work is project-driven or service-driven. If this helped, hit like and subscribe.